Hey, what's up? What's up? Okay, this is a bike check from me, Haizal, and it's my own bike. From the bars, we're gonna start on top. It's S&M Slam bar, 8 rise, and grips is Vicious grips, Sabrusa, and yeah. For the stem will be Fit BF stem. It's in blue, anodized blue, and headset is Cane Creek headset. The forks will be a Sunday Forum forks, and front wheel set is Hoffman rim with Hoffman hub with FF tires. And yeah, for the frame it will be the signature of Harry Main's frame. It's Miracle mainline frame with a 30.25 with integrated seat clamp, and the cranks will be Sabrusa stock cranks with Sabrusa team grips. No, I mean sprocket. Yep. Pedals will be Fit FFs, Fit pedals in brown. The seat is one piece mastic seat. The seat and the pivotal post is some stock post. Yep. For the chain will be just an ordinary KMC chain. Right. For the back wheel is the most dopest wheel ever. It's Superstar Lace 2 Odyssey Hazard Light rim with King Bikeco tires 1.95. It's 6-pole engagement and it's quite an engagement hub. For the pegs will be with the people Toxic pegs, back and front. Okay, that will be all for my bike. See you again for the next bike check.